Fall is the best time for planting a container. First thing we're going to do is to set up irrigation. Right now I'm just getting the tubing to go from the bottom up so you don't have a tube coming up over the top. Now we're going to cut off the tubing, leave enough of excess in there so it will stage nicely once it's in there. The emitter that I'm using is a shrubler that's going to give even distribution of water through the entire surface of the pot. Set this aside and we're going to start putting in some potting soil. Make sure to break up any large chunks that are in here. Start off by staging the largest plant and then work your way to the smaller ones. That looks good, so I'm going to take it out of the pot now. I'm going to scarify the roots. To accentuate the pot more, I'm going to put the Milano-grown perennials, the vinca, along the outside to spill over the edge. Make sure everything is planted to the same depth. Gently remove from the container. Once again, scarify your roots a little bit to promote new growth. So before I backfill the rest of this, I'm going to incorporate some starter fertilizer. And backfill with the rest of the soil till it comes up to the crown of the plant. Now that our plant is all planted and ready to go, we're going to top it off with a solution of Super Thrive. Super Thrive will help prevent transplant shock and ensures proper transition into its new container. Quarter teaspoon and a gallon of water is all that you need. I recommend it for every planting that I do. A good thorough watering. And this plant is going to thrive now. Planting in containers is great for the high desert gardener.